Hi, this is Craig and Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be taste testing this mango. It's another one, we don't know what it is. You can see it's got some words on it. I can't tell if it says chicken cake or Celine Gecko or...
It looks like Gedong Gincu.
Celery...
No, you're blind. You can't see.
I don't have my glasses on, and I can see very little without my glasses, but...
This one did come with a crack in the bottom.
It does have a crack in the bottom, but it's a part that I don't usually eat along there much anyway. So we're going to give it a try, and hopefully we will be able to find out what it is.
It's very orange inside.
It smells very overripe.
Oh, it smells like B.O. Yeah.
I wish my B.O. smelled that good.
I think it's overripe. And maybe because there's that big cut in the bottom, it got kind of... I'm not tasting this first. Papaya.
Like dried papaya, which that's the only way I like papaya. This isn't bad. It may be overripe. It's not, I don't think it's what you call funky.
It tastes like if B.O. was a flavor. There's something in it you're obviously not smelling, but it hits you in the front and the aftertaste.
To me, there's nothing objectionable about this.
Huh.
I mean, it's very juicy. Other than the fact that it tastes a little bit like papaya, which I don't like papaya, but I like dried papaya. And to me, this is kind of a little bit like dried papaya flavor.
Maybe it's overripe.
Oh, maybe. I don't think it's bad though. It certainly doesn't taste like B.O.
Like fruity B.O. I think it's just something I'm tasting that probably most people wouldn't taste in the fruit.
So I'm getting moderately sweet, very juicy. It's still got a nice firm texture to me though, which is,
I'm gonna try one.
is like not overripe.
That piece was way better.
Okay, maybe you got a bad piece on the first one.
No, it still hits me in the back though.
I don't know what you're tasting that I'm not in here, but it's not great. I mean, this isn't gonna jump out as, wow, that's a fantastic mango, I need to plant one. But it's got a weird kind of dried papaya fruitiness, a little bit of pumpkin, a little bit of fruit cocktail, cherries in the fruit cocktail.
You know, when you're eating a queenie and it like, there's just like gaseous nest to it where like you'd be like if you like breathed out really heavy,
You could light
like,
it on fire. Yeah.
Yes. That's the part I don't like in here, and it like hits you. It's like boom.
I'm not getting any of that.
Okay.
I can see how this is one of those where if I had 10 of them, the more I ate, the more I would like this one.
Probably.
The
second, that looks worse than this. There's some flavor in there I do not like.
I'm not finding anything in there that's bad. It's just, it doesn't taste like a mango. If this was, you could hand me a piece of this blind and tell me it was some kind of a canistel relative or something, and I would believe you, because it's just.
It does have a little bit of canistel flavor in it.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I think it's pretty good.
Volatile. That's the word I have.
Yeah.
It's got some volatile compounds in there.
Yeah, I don't know. To me, it's good. It's just, it doesn't taste like mango. It tastes like a whole bunch of other things that together, I know that's pretty good.
I
It's
love
just-
Bailey's Marble, and you
What you
taste
don't like
something
it-
in it, but this is
That's
just,
true,
I
that's
taste
true.
something in it that
Yeah.
you don't like.
Well, it certainly doesn't taste like BO. It tastes, I mean, it's a weird mango, but I thought it was good.
There was just a compound in it that my body
Oh.
registered
Okay,
as something
that's
else.
fair. You're
Yeah.
allowed to do that.
So I would say buy one and try it. But
Yeah.
maybe don't buy 10 until you've tried it and decide if you love it.
Of course,
as much
good
as
luck
Craig
buying
does.
one because we don't know what it's called.
Oh, but we're gonna figure it out.
So go buy a chicken cake mango. And
No, I don't know why you keep calling it a chicken cake.
Because I don't have my glasses on and everything looks like that.
Chicken cake.
Chicken cake or
Ew.
Celine Gecko or something like that. Anyway, it's
We'll figure
something
it
like
out.
one of those. Both two words. They start with G or C.
Yep.
Both words. So
I think the second word looked like ginkgo.
second word looked
For
a little bit
sure.
like ginkgo for sure. The first one kind of looked like chicken or Celine or something like that. But
Gedong.
agree to disagree. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
To the square, tried to sell the mango there. If I do not sell it, then take it back and try again.